There are many different ways for babies to crawl. And if you notice that your baby is squirming a bunch and wanting to move all around, then it's time for your baby to start crawling. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to correctly get your baby to crawl. Number 1, give your baby a little motivation. Try putting their favorite toy on the ground during tummy time, but put the toy just out of reach. This will interest them and give them a goal to work for as they're trying to move. This is what you should be aiming for your baby to do. Number 2, provide a comfortable space for them to explore. If you have an uncarpeted floor like me, use a mat or rug or a soft surface to make it more comfortable for them to move. Number 3, get on the floor and crawl with your baby. Your baby may start crawling sooner if they see you crawling and try and imitate what you're doing. A baby must develop 2 key abilities before being able to crawl. They must first develop the muscular strength to support themselves on their hands and knees, and second, they need to coordinate the movement of their limbs to make movement happen. When helping your baby to learn how to crawl, make sure you're there and active and aware because mistakes happen.
Bruh.
Number 4, when all else fails, you need to put your baby in a costume. This makes the experience fun and exciting for everyone, and your baby will definitely love it. Look at how well she reacted to having a costume on. Use all 4 of these steps and your baby will be crawling in no time. Good job, Dad. You did it again.